Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Techment Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a row on your table in your Canva Docs PC. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to add a row in the table in your Canva Docs on your computer is going to show. So here a table here. So just there is only a 1, 2, 3 total of there is only a 4 rows, but I just need more rows, like up to 6 or 7 rows. So I just need to add more rows here. So you just need to add a row. Below this you have an option. You can see while clicking here you have an option in here called 3 dots. Click on this, and here you have an option called add row. Click on this, which will add the row below. So you just need to intersect the row. You can just drag it and you can just drop it like this, and you can just click on this plus symbol to add more rows. For an example, you can just add at bottom, or you can just add at below this, like that. You can just add more rows wherever you just need it. So just click on this and you will have this plus symbol near the row. Otherwise you can just use this 3 dot option to add more rows. That's it. This is how you just add the rows on your table, on your Canva Docs on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Techment Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.